how you can easily download Spotify application on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your Microsoft Store, which is available on both of the Windows 10 or 11. So once you open the application, you can simply head over to the search bar and simply search in for Spotify, just like this. So once you locate the Spotify, just tap on this and you should be getting over to this page. And as you can see, I've already installed. So if you haven't installed, you can see, or you will be getting an option called install instead of open. So you just have to tap on that install button and wait for a few seconds, and depending upon your internet connection, it will automatically get downloaded and installed. And now simply you just have to open the application and make sure to sign in to your official Spotify account to get back your music playlist if you have already created it on your mobile device or iPhone. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.